We're at Gap Fulfillment Center. This building runs 20 hours a day, 5 days a week. This building is just shy of 1 million square feet and 6,500 fixtures. We've tried to identify where our biggest challenges were, and with lighting projects that we worked on in the past, we instantly started discussing 3 of our sites needing a lighting upgrade or a lighting retrofit. Gap Fulfillment Center was our largest project of the 3. Reno Fulfillment Center was the 2nd largest, and Gap Distribution Center was our 3rd largest. All 3 combined just shy of 12,000 fixtures total. We were spending about 20 to 40 hours a week for electrical maintenance technician to either repair, replace, whether it's lamps, ballasts. As we looked at it and started doing our evaluations, we realized we were about a 15 to 20 foot candles as our high, and we realized quickly that we needed about 28 to 35. And you couple that with the equation of, hey, we got some failing fixtures, kind of led us to quickly realizing we were, at a disadvantage.
So their existing technology was all fluorescent technology, right? And we want to get standard foot candles. We want to create standardization and uniformity throughout their distribution portfolio, and we want something that's going to be efficient. Typically, the more efficient your project is, you're going to increase your incentives and help offset that additional investment as well too, right? So in this situation, between the 3 sites, we got about $450,000 in incentives that offset a substantial amount. With that, we want to make sure that facilities teams see the value in being able to not have to worry about thousands and thousands of lamps and ballasts that are going to be a continued issue unless you directly address it.
So one of the main goals for us was to consolidate all of our lighting control systems across the network. Our goal was to have the same lighting control system in every site. PEC and City Electric Supply presented 3 different options as far as fixture count, fixture foot candle, as well as the lighting control system. 3 projects we did with City Electric Supply and PEC saved just shy of $700,000 of energy consumption annually. I would say 3 big wins. We have 0 lighting complaints. 2nd biggest win is increase in morale. 3rd is just we doubled our foot candles, which translates into a lot more accuracy, a lot more efficient in the process and flow of the site in general.